how to send WhatsApp group link to other contacts and invite them to join the group. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application WhatsApp. Now head over to the specific group in which you want to invite other people. So let's say this is the group in which I want to invite other people via link. Tap on the group profile. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of invite via link. Click on it. And then over here you'll find different options. You can send this link on various social media. So let me tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, head over to any of the social media in which you want to share this link. So let me head over to Messenger. Also moving to the inbox of the person that you want to invite to the group. And here all you want to do is paste the link that you have just copied and send it to this person. Well, the link has been successfully shared to this person. Now this person just have to tap on this link and he or she will be successfully joined to this group and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to send WhatsApp group link to other contacts and invite them to join the group. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.